Hello everyone, it's me Sonia from Liebe Naturals, and I trust you guys are doing okay. So I promised to share this video regarding our onion oil for hair growth without the smell. So in this video I just separated the onion from the skin, and I just sliced it to little bits so I can actually add my coconut oil. So for this recipe I use just onion, coconut oil, tail. I also added cinnamon sticks and also cinnamon oil, and I also added tea tree oil, and yes, that was it. Yes, so I had a tea tree oil, and I added Jamaica black castor oil to the whole mixture. Yeah, so this is what we're going to be using for our hair growth challenge, which is taking place tomorrow, starting tomorrow, and we are going to be applying this oil to our hair and on our scalp every day. It's best to do it in the morning. So every morning on our hair, our scalp, and for the next 14 days, just to see if this really works as the onion juice that we actually used sometime last year. Yes, so I am so excited. I can't wait to try this out. So yeah, to kill the smell, you can also use other essential oils that are very strong. This time I tried to use the cinnamon because it has a very strong scent, and it completely took out the onion smell. So try this out and let me know how it worked for you. Thank you and happy challenge.